Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 句 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 句 according to to depend on For example, 依据according to basis or foundation. Now check this sentence. What is the foundation of your claim? 这一主张的依据是什么？ What is the foundation of your claim? "这一主张的依据是什么？" What is the foundation of your claim? 一主张的依据是什么？ What is the foundation of your claim? 这一主张的依据是什么？句 in cursive. 句 according to depend on. 依据 according to basis foundation. What is the foundation of your claim? 这一主张的依据是什么？句 Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character 句. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.